5 older generation flagships still worth buying in 2024. The smartphone market is moving fast, and there seems to be almost no gap between launches these days. If you're looking for flagship smartphones with the best cameras, performance, design, or just value for money, then Gadinsider has you covered. Here are 5 best old flagship smartphones that you can buy in 2024. But before buying older generation flagships, here are some important things you should keep in mind while buying. Number 1. The device shouldn't be too old. It is safer to buy a 2-year-old smartphone, as the device will continue to receive software support for the next few years. Number 2. You should do thorough research about the device you're ready to buy using online platforms or ask for feedback from previous buyers. Number 3. Check the physical condition of the smartphone properly. Buy one with a warranty remaining. Number 4. Use a trusted platform to buy a smartphone or get it from a family or friend. Now let's look at the top 5 old generation smartphones still worth buying in 2024. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. After the One UI 6.1 update introduced Galaxy AI features that are exclusive to the Galaxy S24 series, the best older generation flagship smartphone of 2024 is the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Apple iPhone 14 Plus. With a larger screen display and 128 GB of internal storage, the iPhone 14 Plus is almost identical to the iPhone 15 Plus. This variant is priced at 68,999 Indian rupees in the market and offers excellent battery life, IP68 rating, and wireless charging. Google Pixel 7 Pro. If you're looking for smartphone options that offer a good quality camera, the Pixel 7 Pro is a good choice. It lacks some AI features, but is powered by the Tensor G2 and is priced at 67,999 Indian rupees. OnePlus 11. With a recent price cut, the OnePlus 11 is powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, along with a Hasselblad camera setup. It lacks features like wireless charging, but has a premium glass meta switch. Nothing Phone 2. With a recent software update, the Snapdragon 8 Plus is powered by the Gen 1 SoC and currently retails for 37,999 Indian rupees. Nothing 2 is the most uniquely looking smartphones, introducing the TrueLens engine capability to improve the overall camera performance.